If your riffs feel rushed instead of heavy, it's probably not your tone. It's where you land on the beat. In Death's Door by Uncleacid and the Deadbeats, they use triplets to create groove by leaning on the back of the beat. Today, you'll learn how to place the triplet slightly behind the beat so a simple riff can feel heavy instead of hurried. What's going on? Welcome to Beholden to the Riff, the heaviest bass channel on YouTube. Let's get right into this one. We are in C sharp standard, so grab your axe, tune up, and let's do this. Triplets can add groove and some serious weight, but if they land early, the riff can feel rushed and anxious. While if they sit slightly behind the beat, the riff can feel massive. So triplets are when you take a beat and divide it into three. So we're turning each quarter note into three subdivisions, three beats, okay? So instead of 1, 2, 3, 4, we're going to have triplet, 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 all right? And just so happens to be that when you say triplet, it's 3 syllables, so we can use this word to really do all the work for us and subdivide that quarter note into three, okay? So the main riff really revolves around this 7th fret. This is our tonic, the root note of the song. So we start with the pedal tone, just playing quarter notes, no triplets yet. We want to try to keep the notes even and not rush, all right? So we want clean, clear notes, and we're really focusing on our timing, okay? So we can use our fingers or a pick, whatever you normally play with. We're going to start by playing that 4 quarter note pulse, and we really want to settle into it, really sink in. So now we're going to add triplets. We're going to add them every 4th quarter note. So it's going to be 3 regular quarter notes followed by a triplet. So it's 1, 2, 3, triplet, 1, 2, 3, triplet. So we want that steady pulse, that steady timing. So a good way to practice this is to set a metronome at a slower speed, 60 or 70 BPM. And first of all, really sink into those quarter notes, just like we were doing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we want to add, like we did, triplets every 4th quarter note. Then once that becomes easier, then we can add more of them. We can add, every other quarter note we can turn into a triplet. So that would sound like. Okay, then we can turn them all into triplets. Okay, and really try not to rush. And to take this even further, record yourself doing this, watch yourself, listen to yourself back, and really see if you line up with the clicks on the metronome. So when you listen back, ask yourself, did the downbeat after the triplet feel calm? Or did it feel like it had to catch up? So that first beat after the triplet. If it sounds rushed, slow down the metronome by 5 or 10 BPM and exaggerate the relaxed placement, okay? So you'll know you got it when you land on that first downbeat after the triplet. So if you do this and you listen back and it still sounds a little stiff, we got to relax. We got to figure out what to do. So, take deep breaths. I like to sit back, like physically sit back, um, to remind myself to play on the back side of the beat. Because sometimes, if we hunch over, we can get, tense and all this stuff. So we really relax. And when it's slow and you're subdividing it into triplets, it's really easy to sound a little bit rushed. So it would be like 1, 2. So these are all signs that you're playing rushed. This is most often the case, okay? It's very rare that you're going to be playing too far back in the beat or too far in the pocket. So now let's check out that main riff. Goes like this, nice and slow. So this main riff and the whole song is in this triplet feel. If you notice the main riff, we're playing that pedal tone, 7th fret here, and we're playing 2 notes out of the 3. So it's 2 notes of the triplet. We're playing the first and the third, and we're holding through the second. So we'll play the downbeat, we hold the triple of the triplet, then we play again let. So it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay? And the first part of the riff, we go down to the 7th fret on the low string. Second part of the riff, we go 5, 7 on the second string, then 4 on the second string, 5 on the third string. And still in that same triplet feel, playing the first beat, holding through the second, then playing the third. Here it is all together. The entire song is using this triplet feel, so this is really the key to getting this thing down. They're throughout the main riff, we're playing bass fills using them, like. If you dug this lesson and you want to take it further, check out the Beholden to the Riff Patreon page. We have the bass tab, interactive playthroughs, the tone patch, lesson guides, and all kinds of stuff. Check it out. That's patreon.com/beholden to the riff. And if you're looking to take your bass playing to the next level, check out the free 5-day bass beast challenge. Link is below. So lock down the triplets, download the tab, and check out the full playthrough to get this one down. We'll see you in the next one.